lectures pass over body. So Professor Jump will have lectures 5 minutes, put a 5 minutes lecture. Any 2 hours next week and
2 hours live.
Charlie, this one over.
What if you got full scholarship at KNUST? Yeah, full scholarship at KNUST and then fee paying at the University of Ghana. Let them hear you. You do what?
Fee paying
In the University of Ghana.
Yeah.
Hey,
Okay, Netflix and chill, 5 minutes. Lectures 5 minutes. Netflix and chill, 2 hours. And the lecture is only 5 minutes.
YouTube, what's up? The RealGrooming channel. Kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed. It's been a while. Today's video, trust me, we are bringing you something extraordinary, something interesting, something new on the channel. And would you rather do this or rather do that? And today we are giving you some questions like, would you rather attend not Legon. Legon is the best school, sorry. So aside Legon, UPSA Tech, which of them would you rather attend? Let's see what they have to say. Netflix and chill over lectures or lectures over Netflix and chill. To subscribe if you haven't. RealGrooming. Is it not looking like? Actually, first boy.
Clap for yourself.
But how do you feel being between like two handsome like?
Oh, I'm cool.
Yeah.
You are just cool. You don't say you are blessed.
I'm blessed.
Wonderful. Alright, so Hannah, if you didn't get enrollment in the University of Ghana, where would you go? UPSA or Tech?
Tech.
Why not UPSA?
UPSA
I beg you.
I would not like to do it.
Hey, wait, I'm not surprised.
Either KNUST or
I have KNUST or
No,
Tech.
but for education, UPSA is not only, it's not fully a private school.
I don't like it.
I see them beg. Oh my god. So it's either Legon or Tech. No UPSA. So what if UPSA give you a scholarship?
Fully funded.
Everything like your accommodation, your food, lunch, breakfast, supper.
I'll still come to you.
Hey,
Pains, pains.
Let's see the family yourself. Relax. So even if you got a scholarship to UPSA, fully funded, then you got fee paying for like you're supposed to pay about 4K, and then nothing for UPSA. Where would you go? Come to this one.
Hey, now what happened here? What can I say me?
And then UPSA, we are very sorry. Do you know this one you would have said? We're trying to promote the brand bar. It's what it is. Okay, so
Netflix and chill or lecture.
do you know your friends could be watching? Like you choose to Netflix and
like
chill.
I was in a class for 2 hours and it was boring. Like just now, I didn't
Netflix and
understand.
chill there.
And the lecturer was just reading the slides. So I could have still sat in my room and
So you are passionate about the Netflix and
of
chill.
course.
Mateo Papa that was it.
Very sticky fingers over right
So
what you're saying is Netflix and chill with a vandal instead of being in a class with
Professor Jump.
or Dr. PC or whoever it is. You prefer Netflix and chill over lectures.
The thing, if it's serious.
So I'm gonna go there. Again. Imagine
Fine girl, go
there.
there.
That's life for me. Do me once and they be able to next day. You know, me bones will say,
Hey,
This on budget.
yes.
So if you didn't get Legon, where would you go? UPSA or Tech?
I'll sleep at home.
Brother Fee, when you're Legon, I won't go school. Okay, UPSA my full scholarship. And I Legon my free pay.
What I say?
UPSA full scholarship. Full scholarship. UPSA, University of Ghana, fee pay. You pay about 4K.
I don't care.
You prefer the 4K. Why don't
No. You sure say you're not confused?
you guys like UPSA?
I don't know.
You just don't like the space. Okay, so What would you prefer, Netflix and chill or lectures? I know the answer already.
Netflix. Life is short. Enjoy.
Mateo Papa that was it.
But you're a school girl.
Yes, I know.
And you came here for
But
your
you
degree.
can't learn always, Charlie. I say.
Nadia Bayirin there.
Okay, Netflix and chill, 5 minutes. Lectures 5 minutes. Netflix and chill, 2 hours. And the lecture is only 5 minutes.
Okay. So what's the name?
Precious.
Precious.
Yes.
That means you are precious there.
Yeah.
Nah, like that means your boyfriend too is keeping you like a precious too.
Yeah,
Oh,
he is.
so they never take do it before.
No.
Anyway, so supposing you didn't get Legon, UPSA or Tech.
Well, I'll find a vocation in
Wait. I don't guess what you said. You do what?
Like I'll find a vocation and do at home. Maybe hairdressing or
Oh, are you serious or are you joking?
yeah, I'm serious.
Why? Okay, why? Why?
Well, like UCC is like some kiddies who like SHS life. Already I'm from SHS, so I don't have to go back and, you know. And as for, you know, take this American boys in the restaurant life.
Hey, if you are talking
Your
to
leg on
watching,
there is like the premium investing, you know, like you can't compete.
hey, but supposing your talk is watching.
Right.
I say, "Come see, can you manage that?" They say, "What's what you're saying?"
Well, please, you can come and look for me, okay? I'm not scared.
Hey, with the violence.
Yes, violence.
Okay, so Netflix and chill or lectures.
Well, I like aesthetics, but then I would go for Netflix and chill
Hey! I hear me to me.
to release some stress.
But you pay school fees, oh.
Yeah, well, like, you know, you don't have to learn all the time.
Respect.
You know, so you have to take a little time to chill to release stress.
The mama
So
wa boka.
Netflix and chill
Mama wa
is
boka.
very important, right?
I'm also a guy, Papa.
Very important
Very,
than
very
lectures.
No, I'm not saying it's important than lectures. Lectures is equally important, but then
You choose.
yes.
Hey, how you go energy too. Anyway,
If you didn't get admission to Legon, where would you have gone to? Tech or UPSA?
I wouldn't have gone to NAN. I would have waited next academic year.
You'd have waited for the next year.
And reapply.
And then you reapply to Tech.
No.
Again.
Still Ghana, yes.
Viewers.
Why you got admission to both KNUST and then UPSA?
Because I feel UPSA and KNUST, I don't think they vibe with the schools, right?
Okay. So you'd what if you got full scholarship at KNUST? Yeah,
scholarship.
yeah, full scholarship at KNUST and then fee paying at University of Ghana. Let them hear you. You do what?
Fee paying.
In the University of Ghana.
Yes.
Nah, that's smart. Okay. So Netflix and chill or lectures? You choose lectures. Okay, that's surprising. That's the first lecture we've gotten today because we've asked a lot of girls and they all go for lectures and chills. But it's like she's the first U student we found right now.
Give it up!
Like I'm supposed to bless you with a hug or something because come on, if your father knows.
I didn't want to buy a trim. If
If you don't add it to the video, I will ask, was she buying my bag? Is that what you were doing?
Yeah.
Nah, that's for children. I'll forgive you, just don't do that again.
Okay.
I'll be okay. When I grip you, grip me. I'll be okay.
Fabio be cool gripping. Sure. What I guess is I'm a big guy now.
If you turn the camera off and then I'll do my thing.
supposing you didn't get University of Ghana, UPSA and then KNUST, choose one. Which of them?
Like, I go bed house and council next year.
You say good what?
I go bed house and council.
No. You sure say you no confused?
Me na say University of Ghana. Make I go where again? I go bed house.
They over me. You know they like tech.
Nah. I go
But
bed
you know
house.
say recently the ranking come tech be like the best school for West Africa or something. Or
Be like. Might be like. Nah. I go bed house. They can't see it. They go live.
Simple.
so you know say squad is like your boys when they take the
Make them listen and change their mind. Then go feed the fair for their can't finish for here. Then go back.
Focus the central corner.
So what about UPSA 2? UPSA 2 what they do? UPSA.
You know what the business school there?
Oh, I don't know them. I really they watch, but I don't really pay attention. What's happening for them?
Then shut.
That's why I don't know.
Apu. And they get one and two. My brother. Nah.
Yeah,
Nothing.
okay, so this be your last question. This question I beg make you no disappoint me. Because video already Netflix and chill or lectures. Netflix and chill or lectures.
This one be like if you rhetorical questions here.
What do you mean?
Like
The first one, no. Netflix and chill. What be lectures?
how this be rhetorical question?
Netflix and chill, that be the answer. No.
Why? Lectures, have you pay school fees or you no pay school fees?
I pay. I go rep like the lectures.
Lectures pass out record. So Professor Jampo we have lectures 5 minutes, put a 5 minutes lecture. Any 2 hours Netflix and chill.
2 hours live.
Charlie, this one is over me.
So you got you didn't get admission to University of Ghana, but then you got UPSA and Tech. What would you do? Would you go to Tech or UPSA? If you didn't get admission to the one?
I'll apply again.
Why is it that? Why?
You apply the
Oh
next
my
year.
God.
You apply the next year.
Of course.
What would you have done?
Okay, I'll go to Tech.
Go to Tech. Okay.
That was the school I wanted to go to. like,
Okay.
but then,
But then, okay, fine. So you would have chosen Tech over UPSA. Why not UPSA?
Hey. Yes.
Why not UPSA?
That school is Saludo.
Phoebe, show the person we they talk about. Uncle. Okay, fine. Okay. Right. Okay, fine. So now, what do you guys prefer? Lectures or lectures?
It dey bore me. I know
Which
the
one?
that Netflix and chill.
Woo!
I just don't do it.
It's a boy.
When you told me, I know very well, but when I hear that thing, it really pisses me off.
What happens? What happens?
I don't know, but then for BBI.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
Well, I think you're just watching movies
No, I don't want to
and
watch
eating popcorn. You don't want to watch movies. Air conditioning.
No. I want to sleep in my room and relax.
So you prefer to go to lectures over Netflix
Hey,
and chilling
no,
with
that
someone?
one there, like just
Lectures and so I won't go.
I want to be in my room.
Shadow,
in my
girl. Oh nah.
No, in my comfort zone. You get it?
Relax. Next lecture I won't pay. Lectures and so I won't go.
Mateo Papa that was it.
What you choose? Lectures.
I'll go for lectures.
You go for lectures.
Girl.
Very, very good student. You can see from her face.
Right.
When you see those that
Wait,
don't like school,
well,
you know.
on phone. I'm for education.
Oh, so,
Class, but how many hours?
so they are
Why?
friends.
Whoa.
They are supposed to be friends. So if this one is selling this one out, you should know she's not lying about. So it was nice having you on the channel. If you've got anything to say to your other girls that are into the Netflix and chilling stuff, what would you tell them?
Okay, it's their choice. So.
It's their choice.
It's your choice. Me, I know they like tell you.
Okay, right.
So, but that was it.
So you know what is? Think twice, share the video, like, comment, subscribe, let your grandparents see, let your children see football children already. like I always say, have a nice time. I'll see you guys in another video.